Urgent question. Is your financial and legal peace of mind capable of withstanding the economic earthquakes coming in 2026? Just imagine this scenario. You are sitting right there in front of your screen, reviewing your LLC or your crypto strategy, and a tight knot deep in your stomach tells you that something simply isn't safe. What about that contract you signed online, or that international structure you built yourself using only YouTube tutorials? Or perhaps the looming ghost of a tax audit arising due to a single crypto transaction that you didn't report. The real fear isn't just about making a mistake. The true fear is actually finding out about the error much too late, when it has already cost you thousands. You certainly won't find a traditional lawyer here wearing a tie and speaking with fancy words in Latin. I am Martín Jesus Molina Rivera, your global freelance legal strategist. You should think of me as your personal translator and shield standing between a complex world of regulations changing at the speed of code and your dream of living with total security, true freedom, and growth. I do not simply sell promises. I build genuine trust. How? My methodology is clear and based on what you actually need today. 1. Immediate clarity. A Zoom or WhatsApp consult where, in just 30 minutes, we turn your "I don't know if this is right" into a very clear, safe, and solid action plan. 2. Ironclad prevention. Drafting and reviewing contracts, corporate docs, and business structures for Latinos in the US and globally, while keeping a watchful eye on tomorrow's potential pitfalls. 3. Strategies without the frenzy. I help you navigate LLC formation, online banking, money transfers, and the complex crypto world without losing sleep. I resolve post-pandemic fears, tax uncertainty, unfair competition, and the feeling that the rules of the game change every month. Why me and not someone else? Because I understand, from the inside, the law and the future. My academic treatise on Panamanian financial law isn't just for judges, it's the foundation from which I protect your business. Because I am a true digital and legal native, working remotely for the US and the world, in both Spanish and English, with the agility of a startup and the absolute solidity of a high-end firm. Implicit testimonials. My clients are my silent army. They don't publicly share their tax strategies or successful offshore structures, but they recommend me to their most trusted partner, to their entrepreneurial relative. That is the kind of loyalty that is built upon discrete results and unwavering security. The window to regularize, protect, or optimize your position ahead of the 2025 changes is closing. Regulators don't sleep. The competition doesn't wait. Your very next step isn't just about hiring a lawyer. It's securing your place in the future. See the white hand pointing to the right. Go ahead and take action today. Please go ahead and send a private message right now with the word strategy. You will get immediate access to my calendar to successfully book your 30-minute legal diagnostic consultation. This is certainly not just a sales call. It is the start of your peace of mind. Don't underestimate the power of the right decision on time. The first and most important step of all is choosing the absolute right ally. Martín Jesus Molina Rivera, Premium Global Super Lawyer, Remote Legal Strategy for Businesses that Transcend Borders, Round Pushpin Services, Tax and Corporate Consulting, Contracts and Compliance, Crypto Regulation, Migration, and Business for Hispanics in the US. See the globe with meridians. We are operating in a 100% remote mode. It is about clarity, not complexity. Remember, clarity, not complexity. WhatsApp +507 6469 4695.